Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Nanda Gopal. I'm working as an assistant master in BGS Rural English School, Agalagurki, Chikbalapur. My dear students, in the previous class, we have discussed about the weather, climate, and adaptations of animals. In that lesson, we have discussed about weather, weather report, and what kind of the weather elements, and temperature, humidity, and some of the rule of that we will be discussed in the previous class. So in this class we are going to discuss about some of the climatic adaptations in polar regions. So what do you mean by polar regions, and what kind of the animals that we will be find out in the polar regions, and what type of adaptations that animals has? So these are all we are going to discuss now. Dear students, what kind of adaptations that animals has? Okay, let us discuss one by one. So what do you mean by adaptation? So that is we are discussed in the previous class. So that will be adaptation is nothing but the organisms which having a specified features to adopt, or it will be creates itself to survival in the environmental changes. That is what we call it as adaptations. So if you come to the polar regions, as we know that polar region the temperature is very less, is it right? So in the temperature is very less, the organisms survival is also very less. That's why in the polar regions that organisms will be having different kinds of adaptations. So these adaptations is very helpful to escape from the heavy cold in the polar regions. Okay, so animals in the living is with the cold climate and hot climate also, they will be has a different specific characteristics that they will be have. Is it right? No. So in the normal terrestrial animals, in the normal animals, they will be having the different kinds of adaptations. And if you come to the water or the aquatic animals, so that also having some kind of adaptations. Same like that only, even in the polar regions also, the animals having the different kinds of adaptations. Okay, see in the polar regions, so as we know that the polar region is nothing but it is a very cold area. So approximate what is the temperature that we will be find out in the polar regions? Approximate minus 37 degrees Celsius. Just imagine, just in our surroundings only, if the temperature become very less, approximate it will become 20 degree, 18 degree means also we will be feel very cold, right? No. So then just imagine minus 37 degrees Celsius temperature we will be find out in the polar regions. So in that polar regions, approximate 6 months duration, the sun does not rises. As we know that in our surroundings or in our area, every day we will be seen that sunrise and as well as sunset, right? No, but in the polar regions, every 6 months once the sun rises and every 6 months once does not set. So which means each and every day the sunrises do not takes place in the polar regions. The sunrises will be takes place after every 6 months. So that's why just imagine then how much of cold that area has. And then some of the animals that we will be find out in the polar regions are best examples is polar bear, penguin, reindeers, fox, whales, seals. These are all the best examples for polar regions. So I hope you understand the best examples for the polar region animals and as well as what kind of environment that will be takes place in the polar region. So what is the main temperature of the polar region? Is minus 37 degree Celsius. So examples for the polar region animals: polar bear, penguins, reindeers, so the seals. These are all the best examples for the polar regions. So let us take one. What kind of the adaptations that will be has the polar bear? I hope you are observing a picture, three pictures that he is observing in the below of the information right now. So that picture is, we call it as polar bear. See, so as we are observing what kind of color it has, that body is covered by hairs right now. That what is the color of the body hair? Yes, it is a white. So they have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snow and helps in catching their prey. Prey means nothing but food. Okay, so as we know that in the polar regions we will be find huge amount of ice right now. What is the color of ice? It is a white in color right now. So even if the polar bear is also white in color means, so that we will be easy that whatever the other organisms is there nearby the polar regions that will be survival, that they are failed to identify where the polar bear is present. So this nature is very helpful to catch the food this by the polar bear. So this white fur is very helpful to catch the food. And then the entire body is covered by two layers. So that is one layer that is covered by the fur, and this will be very helpful for protect the body from extreme cold. As we know that the temperature of the polar region is minus 37 degrees Celsius right now. So this fur layer will be very helpful to protect the entire polar bear body from the very cold. Then they have a layer of fat under the skin. What kind of the layer that will be followed after the fur? Yes, the skin is followed by the very thick layer of fat. This also is very helpful to polar bears to protect the from the cold. So whatever the polar bears, the skin, that skin below, the huge amount of fat is stored. This fat do not allow the extreme cold. Hence, like this polar bear can easily escape from the very extreme cold. I hope you understand how the fat is very helpful for the protection of polar bears in the polar region. And then the pair of paws and wide and large, which help them to walk on snow and even they swim in water. The paw means nothing but feet. So ಪಾದಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, that is. So this will be very wide, ಅಗಲವಾಗಿ, and then large, big in size. This will be very helpful to easily walk and as well as easily swim in the water. And then one more very important adaptation of the polar bear is they have a strong sense of smell, and as well as this strong sense of smell is very helpful to catch the food for the polar bear. So these are all the major adaptations of the polar bear. So I hope you understand this is the polar bear pictures that you are observing in this slide now. So this is a picture of polar bears. And one more very important type of animals, that is what we call it as penguins. These penguins also we will be find out in the polar regions. Dear students, what kind of adaptations these penguins has? Yes, let us discuss one by one. So these penguins have white colored body. Entire have a picture is observing in the below the information right now. So have you observed what color of the body is there? Yes, entire maximum part of the body is covered by the white in color. This also will be helpful for the penguins to escape from the enemies. And then they have a thick skin and lot of fat that is followed by the skin, and this also will be very helpful to protect from the extreme cold, just like a polar bear. And then they huddle together to keep them warm. So have you observing that penguins, that organisms are the birds that we will be find out in a only group in number. When you are observing in the television or anyone images, there is no single penguin pictures or the penguin organisms do not we are observing right now. So most of all in all the penguins that we will be in the form of groupism only. Why? Because this groupism is very helpful to protect them or keep them body warm. And then they have streamlined body and webbed feet. So streamlined means straight and webbed means big in size, big sized feet that we will be find out in the penguins. This will be very helpful to walk in the snow and as well as swim in the water. My dear students, these are all the adaptations of penguins. I hope you understand the adaptations of polar bears and as well as penguins. See, next, reindeers. This is also one kind of the polar animals. So same, just whatever the adaptations they have, the polar bear and as well as penguins, same adaptations these reindeers also having. So I hope you understand the basic adaptations of polar bear, reindeers and penguins. So in this next class, we are going to discuss about some other concepts related to this lesson, that is weather, climate and adaptations of animals. My dear students, is there any clarifications regarding this topic? You can please contact me anytime. So my dear students, please stay home, stay healthy. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.